In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Bluebeam profile. If you've ever customized your toolbars, menus, and interface in Bluebeam Revu and want to carry those settings to another computer or share them with a teammate, exporting your profile is the cleanest, most reliable way to do it. A profile in Revu is essentially your personal workspace, how the interface looks, which panels are visible, and how certain tools behave. So exporting it preserves all that effort in one tidy file. First, open Bluebeam Revu. Give it a moment to load your current workspace so everything is ready to go. You don't need any documents open to export a profile. We're just working with the application settings. Next, look to the top left of the application window for the Revu menu. Click it, then hover over Profiles and choose Manage Profiles. This opens a window that lists every profile available on your system, including any built-in profiles and the ones you've customized. Think of this as your control center for organizing and sharing profiles. Now, in the Manage Profiles window, select the profile you want to export. If you've created a custom workflow, it will appear by name in this list. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you have multiple variations, because the file you export will reflect the profile you highlight here. If you're unsure, the currently active profile is usually marked, which can help you quickly identify the layout you've been using. With the correct profile selected, click Export. Revu will prompt you to choose a location on your computer or network where you want to save the file. This exported profile uses a .bpx file format, which is what Revu expects when you import it somewhere else. Give the file a clear descriptive name, something that indicates its purpose or the date so you can recognize it later. Save it to a spot you can easily access, like a project folder or a shared drive, if you plan to hand it off. That's all it takes to create a portable copy of your setup. Once exported, you can share the .bpx file with colleagues, store it as a backup, or move it to another workstation to keep your environment consistent. As a tip, if you work across different versions of Revu, it's a good idea to keep profile files organized by version and test them in a safe environment before rolling them out broadly. And that's the process. Open Revu, go to Revu Profiles, Manage Profiles, select the profile you want, and click Export. Simple, repeatable, and a huge time saver.